Tires are crucial for enabling users to propel independently and efficiently. Understanding the wheelchair user's lifestyle, environment, and goals aid in selecting the best option. Paying close attention to features like material, tread, and maintenance requirements will help identify the ideal selection. In this video, we are going to go over the solid and pneumatic tire options from the Motion Composites order form. The standard no-charge soft urethane solid tire is designed to be fully puncture-proof and low maintenance. Soft urethane tires are 1 3/8 inches in width and have different tread options that are built for different environments. Low tread is best for hard, smooth surfaces, where the knobby tread option has increased traction for outdoor terrains. The no-tread soft urethane solid tire is designed to perform best on hard indoor surfaces. This herringbone pattern and narrow 1-inch width allows for a minimalistic look. A pneumatic with airless insert tire is designed to be fully puncture-proof and low maintenance. However, unlike the name implies, it does not have the benefits of a pneumatic tire because this tire is solid. It is the heaviest option as a solid insert is placed inside the standard pneumatic tire. Research has shown this tire has the highest rolling resistance compared to solid or traditional pneumatic tires. Pneumatic tires are lightweight and provide a soft ride. The standard no-charge pneumatic tire is 1 3/8 inches in width. The correct amount of air pressure needs to be monitored, but the benefits of decreased rolling resistance and efficiency may outweigh the maintenance requirements. This pneumatic option comes with a medium tread, which performs well on uneven surfaces and provides extra grip on wet terrain. This high-pressure air tire has a low tread and dual-layer surface for extremely high puncture resistance. The low tread and narrow 1-inch width makes it a great option for smooth terrains and indoor surfaces. This is the lightest of the options available. This high-pressure air tire has a dual layer for extreme puncture resistance and showcases a medium directional tread to increase traction. This 2-inch high-tread knobby tire has built-in puncture protection. The larger tread increases traction on a variety of terrains, providing versatility and grip without sacrificing ride comfort. If ordering as a second set of tires, it may benefit to order a size down in order to limit changes in rear seat to floor height and wheel lock position. Choosing the right tires to ensure effective and efficient traversing on the different terrains will contribute to better outcomes and quality of life. Please visit our website for more information and detailed specifications of each model.